Yes, I want to talk about the information of the planes that crashed into this runway, lost in a little fog. Involved in the accident, P.H. Buff, KLM, Boeing 747-206B. Departure, Schiphol Airport, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Destination, Gran Canaria Airport, Gran Canaria, Canary Islands. Number of passengers, 234. Crew, 14. Death toll, 248. Survivors, 0. Aircraft model, Boeing 747-206B. Operator, KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. AIDA Expedition No. KL 480. ICAO Flight No. KLM 480. Number of flights, 480. Queue number, PH Buff. It was something like this, and let's move to our other plane. Involved in the accident, N736 Pan Am Boeing 747-121. Departure, Los Angeles International Airport, Los Angeles, United States. Pause point, John F. Kennedy International Airport, New York, USA. Destination, Gran Canaria Airport, Gran Canaria, Canary Islands. Number of passengers, 380. Crew, 16. Number of injured, 61. Death toll, 335. Survivors, 61. Aircraft model, Boeing 747-121. Operator, Pan American World Airways. AIDA Expedition No. PA 1736. ICAO Flight No. PAA 1736. Number of flights, 1736. Queue number, N736 PA.